Hi, this is Steve at True Potential. This video is going to show you how to navigate around the One New Man Bible PDF version that you just bought. You'll see that this works on Adobe Acrobat Reader or whatever your PDF reader is. Almost everyone has Adobe Acrobat, so we'll do it in that. Also, this will work if you download it to your mobile device, whether it's a tablet or a phone. You're going to need a PDF reader on your mobile device. Apple usually use iBooks as the PDF reader. You can use your Kindle reader as a PDF reader. You can download a PDF reader for any mobile device you have, and I've got instructions on that on the thank you page as well on how to download and open a PDF in an Android mobile device and in an Apple mobile device. But right now we're going to show you how to navigate around the One New Man Bible. You'll see over here you have certain features. You've got the page thumbnails, the bookmarks, and those are the two we're going to use, is the bookmarks and the page thumbnails. Page thumbnails just show you this. When you click on that, it just shows you the different pages of the One New Man Bible. Now, your bookmarks icon will show you that we've pre-bookmarked the entire Bible from the title page, the weekly Torah readings, table of contents, and every book of the Bible. Now, when we've got every book of the Bible bookmarked, we've also bookmarked, if we'll go to Genesis here, let's click on Genesis. When we go to Genesis, we've also got marked every chapter in Genesis, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, etc., all the way to chapter 50. When you want to click, if you want to go to Genesis 1, for instance, just click on the first chapter in Genesis, and you'll go to the verses in Genesis, and you can click on verse 1, chapter 1, verse 1. So you click on chapter 1, verse 1, and there you are in the first book of the Bible, the first verse. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Also, what we have bookmarked is the footnotes, and you'll see right here, footnote 2, in the beginning, God. And when you click on that footnote, it will go to the footnotes page for Genesis 1, and you'll see footnote 2 right here. The Hebrew word for God is Elohim, which is plural. So you get all the footnotes included and how to get to them. When you're ready to go back to your reading of Genesis 1, just click on the verse 1, and you go right back to the page you were in. If you want to move to, and we can just scroll up and down here, but if you want to move from, let's go back to verse 1. If you want to move from there all the way to Revelation, just go over here to the bookmarks, click on Revelation right here, and you can click on the last chapter of Revelation, chapter 22, go to the last verse of Revelation, verse 21, and you've got the grace of the Lord Yeshua be with you, all of you. So from the very first to the very last, we've got navigation. And again, if you want to look at any of the footnotes, we'll just scroll up one page here to Revelation 22, and we'll look for a footnote, and you'll see on Revelation 22, the river of life. Then the angel showed me the river of the water of life, bright as crystal, going out from the throne of God. See that footnote 1 on the throne of God? We click on that footnote 1. There is one throne because God and the Lamb are one, John 10:30. And you can even click on the different verses in the footnotes and go to John 10:30 to see what it said. So you can actually go from the footnotes back to the scriptures that they referenced. So that's how to get around. You can even add your own. You can add your own bookmarks to customize your reading here. But again, you've got to just make sure that you know what those bookmarks are for. But that's how to navigate it back around. You can go to the copyright page anytime by just clicking on it, and you can go to the table of contents, and there you go. There's your table of contents. So you can access them all this way. You can also go to, which is very handy, you can go to the weekly Torah readings right here. So you follow your weekly Torah readings, and then you just click on it, and it'll go right to it, that weekly Torah reading, to Shemot. And you can also go down to the glossary. Right after Revelation is the glossary, and you can go and read the glossary. And that's how you get around the One New Man Bible.